Hi there. Ooh, we're getting through the big door. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Hi, I'm Kat, wife, mum, biker and travel blogger. This April we went on an epic road trip through Germany. We saw incredible castles, beautiful waterfalls, went up a mountain, rode in the Black Forest, slept on a riverbed, saw more castles and travelled through some of the most incredible places we have ever been. Welcome to the Germany Travel Blog series. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss an episode. Did I mention the castles? So, this is Hohenzollern Castle. And I'm like, in a proper castle. We're walking up a lot. There's a lot of up. And there's probably a lot of shaking. Sorry. We're camped up in this really pretty parking Platz, or Stellplatz as they call them in Germany. And there's space for about, I think it's about 10 motorhomes. They've got electricity points, they've got a little service thing. They have got some midgies, which is a new one. I haven't added any midgies yet. But can you see behind me? That is, now here we go, Hohenzollern Castle? Hohenzollern Castle? It's a castle. It's a very pretty castle. Yeah, let's have a look at that.
Tell me again how this works. I'm in love but it hurts. Hearts can be broken but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. I am fragile, you are strong. This is hard to process. I've been empty for so long. You fill me up with every word, and I have feelings for you. You say out of the blue.
So that there is motorhome parking when you haven't got a trailer. And that's where you pay for the tickets.
Tell me again how this works. I'm in love but it hurts. Hearts can be broken but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words.
She's seen something. That's it. She's going.
Gotta see the view.
Okay, you're ready.
This is awesome. I think someone was compensating for something. Still going. Oh wow.
Perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere with you is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
That is just beautiful, isn't it? To be fair, if you had a chance to live here, you probably would.
Oh, it's stunning.
It is probably the prettiest castle I have ever been to. Oh no, yeah, we want to go in there.
So the So this is 3 castles.
Yeah, it was one castle and then it was destroyed, I believe, and then they rebuilt it. Oh, so this is how they stored the gunpowder. This is the casements. Yeah, these were only excavated in 2004. And it's also provided shelter if they were under siege. Yeah. Why would they need to be so big?
Big man.
This is really cool. These are the casements. Only 4 eyes will stand in our way of the marriage. She took what he said about the 4 eyes to mean that it was her own 2 children, so she murdered them so the marriage could go ahead. He actually meant his parents, who were against the relationship, and he was so repulsed by her actions of killing her own 2 kids that he just called off the marriage, as you would. And then she founded a cloister as penance where she served the rest of her life clothed in white. And after her death, she found no people supposed to live on and haunt the castle as the White Lady. We've lost Jade. We found Jade. Oh!
Wow. No wonder the drone struggled.
I felt that during war times, like rulers of land who had longer hair were seen as better rulers because it meant that they kept the peace. Long hair, because you would cut off your hair as a sign of war. So if you got more hair, it meant that you'd angered someone who was slow to anger.
Right.
Yeah, and obviously someone who had short hair meant that they were bad because they just kept doing wars basically and just kept cutting it off. So imagine if like Hitler or something cut off all his hair and sent it to England. That's him saying, I'm basically going to war with you. That's what they do. They'd send it to the other ruler and that would basically be a sign of, yeah, I'm going to war. So someone with short hair was seen as a bad peacekeeper.
You are a bad
Yeah.
peacekeeper. So, what do we think, gang?
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Awesome.
New favourite castle?
Yeah, definitely
Very
new
pretty,
favourite
wasn't it? It was gorgeous.
Very handsome and graphic.
Great gift shop. What do we get in the gift shop?
Feathers quill.
Yep.
We got an ink pot which came with the quill.
Yep.
I got complimented on my German.
You did. You got told your German was more German than most Germans. Wow, say that 3 times really fast.
German's more German than most Germans.
Maybe.
German's more German than most Germans.
That's fine. We got that about 7.
Nailed it.
Okay then. Bye, Hohenzollern. I can't say it. You timed that very well. Just throwing it down.